In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add depreciation of fixed assets in QuickBooks Online. Depreciation is how you spread the cost of a fixed asset, like equipment, furniture, or vehicles, over its useful life. Recording it correctly keeps your profit and loss accurate and ensures the asset's book value on your balance sheet reflects wear and tear over time. We'll start by setting up the accounts you need. In QuickBooks Online, open Settings and go to Chart of Accounts. Select New to create an accumulated depreciation account. This is the account that offsets the asset's value over time. For account type, choose either Other Current Liability or Long-Term Liability, based on how your chart of accounts is organized. For detail type, select Accumulated Depreciation. Give it a clear name so you can tie it to a specific asset, such as Accumulated Depreciation, Computer Equipment. You don't need to enter an opening balance here. This account will build up as you post depreciation. Next, create the depreciation expense account. Again, select New. For account type, choose Other Expense. For detail type, select Depreciation. Name it something straightforward like Depreciation Expense so it's easy to find when you record the entry. When both accounts are set up, select Save and Close. If you're unsure which account type is best for your setup, check with your accountant so your reports line up with your policies. Now let's record the depreciation. From the top menu, select Plus New, then choose Journal Entry. Date the entry for the period you're depreciating. Many businesses use the end of the month. On the first line, choose your accumulated depreciation account from the account dropdown. Enter the depreciation amount in the credits column. This credit increases accumulated depreciation and reduces the asset's carrying amount. On the second line, select your depreciation expense account. Enter the same amount in the debits column. Debits must equal credits. This keeps the entry balanced and ensures the cost flows to your profit and loss for the period. Add a memo with the asset name, the period covered, and the method or schedule you're using. If you use classes or locations, apply them here for better reporting. You can also attach your depreciation schedule for easy reference. When everything looks good, select Save. That's all you need to do each period you record depreciation. You're now set up to capture the expense properly and keep your asset values up to date. If you manage multiple assets, repeat the same process using the correct accumulated depreciation account for each one.